Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Real English TV. We're really glad you decided to spend a few minutes of your day with us.
That's right. Whether you're listening at home, on your way to work, or just taking a break, we're happy you're here.
This podcast is all about real English, the kind people actually use in everyday life, not just in textbooks.
Exactly. Simple, natural English that helps you feel more confident when you speak and listen.
My name is Emily, and I'll be one of your hosts for today's episode.
And I'm Victor. We'll be chatting together and sharing real conversations you can learn from.
Every episode, we talk about familiar situations that happen in daily life.
Things you'll experience every day, at work, at school, or at home.
So if you want to improve your English in a relaxed and practical way, you're in the right place.
All right, let's get started with today's conversation.
I'm really happy you're joining us today.
Thanks for being here with us. So, Emily, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Victor. It's been a really productive day so far, and I'm feeling pretty energized. How about you?
I'm feeling fantastic too. It's been a busy day, but in a good way. I'm especially excited about today's topic because it's something everyone can relate to.
Same here. Today we're talking about something that truly touches all of us, our daily habits and how they shape the way our day unfolds.
Exactly. From the moment we wake up in the morning to the moment we go to bed at night, our routines create the rhythm of our lives.
That's so true. Everyone's day looks a little different, but we all depend on small habits to get through each day smoothly.
Right. And sometimes we don't even realize how powerful those habits are. So, let's start at the beginning of the day. What's your morning usually like?
As a student, my mornings are pretty structured. I usually wake up around 7 a.m., and before getting out of bed, I take a moment to stretch and breathe.
That sounds like a very calm and intentional way to start the day.
It really is. Stretching helps me wake up slowly, clear my head, and feel more alert before the day begins.
I like that. I usually wake up a bit earlier, around 6:30 a.m., because my job starts early.
So, what's the very first thing you do after you wake up?
The first thing I do is drink a full glass of water to hydrate my body. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Hydrating in the morning is such a good habit. It really helps your body wake up.
Absolutely. It makes me feel refreshed and ready to start the day. It really sets the tone for everything that follows.
After that, I usually have a light breakfast, like oatmeal or toast. Nothing too heavy, just something simple.
Breakfast is essential for me, too. I usually have eggs with toast, and if I'm short on time, I'll make a smoothie instead.
Then I check my class schedule to see what I have planned for the day. It helps me feel prepared.
I do something similar. I check my emails and review my to-do list so I know exactly what needs my attention.
Having that organized start really makes a big difference in how the rest of the day feels.
It definitely does. When the morning goes well, the whole day feels smoother. So how does your day usually feel after the morning?
Afternoons are when I'm usually the most focused. That's when I have classes or study sessions, and I try to take things one step at a time.
Do you ever feel tired during long study sessions?
Sometimes, yes. That's why I make sure to take short breaks to stretch and move around. It helps keep my mind fresh.
That's a smart approach. My afternoons are usually the busiest part of my day, filled with meetings and project work.
Do you still manage to take breaks when you're that busy?
I try to. Even a few minutes away from my desk helps me recharge and refocus.
After lunch, I usually regroup and mentally prepare for the rest of the day.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Something light, like a salad or a sandwich. Heavy food makes me feel sluggish and sleepy.
I totally agree. I usually eat something healthy so I can avoid that afternoon energy slump.
After lunch, I focus on my bigger assignments while I still have energy and motivation.
Same here. I like to knock out important tasks while I'm feeling productive and focused.
By the time the day starts to slow down, I'm usually ready to relax.
Me too. Evenings are my favorite part of the day because that's when I finally get to unwind.
After dinner, I usually take a short walk or do some light stretching to release stress.
That sounds really relaxing. I usually listen to music or go for a walk after work.
My dinner is usually quick and simple, like pasta with vegetables or a rice bowl.
I usually eat around 7 p.m. and prefer something simple but satisfying.
After dinner, I brush my teeth and wash my face. It's a small habit, but it helps me feel refreshed and ready to relax.
I feel the same way. It's like pressing a reset button after a long day.
Before bed, I avoid screens and spend time reading or listening to music.
Same here. I usually wind down with a book or a cup of herbal tea.
I try to go to bed around 10 p.m. so I can get enough rest.
And I aim for around 10:30. A consistent bedtime really makes a huge difference.
So, overall, having simple habits throughout the day really helps create balance.
Exactly. It's not just about staying productive, it's also about taking care of yourself.
That's all for today's episode. Thanks so much for listening.
We hope this conversation gave you some helpful ideas you can use in your own day.
Keep building healthy habits one step at a time.
And we'll see you next time on The Real English TV.
Take care and have a balanced and productive day ahead.